Caribbean Sea lies an island wild and free, between Martinique and Guadeloupe, a gem where the mountains meet the sea, with rainforests lush and rivers clear, morn tropic tones standing near, boiling lake and champagne reef. Dominica, a nature lovers believe. Dominica, isle of beauty, isle of splendor, from Roseau to the Glasgow shores, with every waterfall you leave us in awe. Dominica, we love you more and more and more. Dominica, isle of beauty, isle of splendor, from Roseau to the Glasgow shore, with every waterfall leave us in awe. Dominica, we love you more and more and more. Creole culture rich and deep, friendly smiles and rhythms deep, bananas, cocoa, coffee sweet, in every corner history we need, emerald pools and black sand bays, whale songs that fill our days. In Dominica, the nature's call echoes through the mountains tall. Dominica, isle of beauty, isle of splendor, from Roseau to the Glasgow shores, with every waterfall you leave us in awe. Emerald pools and black sand bays, whale songs that fill our days. In Dominica, the nature's call echoes through the mountains tall. Dominica, isle of beauty, isle of splendor, from Roseau to the Glasgow shores, with every waterfall you leave us in awe. Dominica, we love you more and more. Dominica, we love you more and more. Dominica, we love you more and more and more. Dominica, we love you more and more and more. Dominica, I love beauty, I love splendor. Yo. Sunrise on the island, wake up, see the light. Waterfalls are calling, hearts set to ignite. Area code 767, hold tight. Lakes so clear and blue like the starlit night.
Dominica, dreaming and feel the ocean breeze. Nature's beauty, magic, dancing in the trees.
Yeah.
Hiking through the forest, every step's a thrill. Listen to the rivers, hear the mountains